I'll guide you through how to create an Amazon seller account, avoiding common mistakes that can lead to account suspension. If you're looking to start your own e-commerce business, or you want to reach millions of potential customers with your products, and you want to create an Amazon seller account, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here is the complete process to create an Amazon seller account. The very first step is to open your browser and go to sell.amazon.com. Once there, you will click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process.
First, you'll need to enter your email address and phone number to create an Amazon account. Just follow the simple process to begin. You can also use your Amazon buyer account.
Amazon offers two types of accounts. The professional seller account, which costs $39.99 per month, gives you access to a lot of tools. They also offer an individual seller account, which is free, but charges you 99 cents for every item you sell. If you plan to sell more than 40 items a month, the professional account is a better value. Before you proceed, make sure you have the following information and documents ready: your business information, including your legal name and address, a government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport, a valid non-debit credit card for fees, your bank account number and routing number for payouts, and a phone number. For U.S. sellers, your EIN is essential. Now, it's time to fill out the online form. Provide your business's legal name, address, and an EIN if you have one. If you are an individual seller in the U.S. without a registered business, you can select that option. You will also provide your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and country of citizenship. You must enter your bank account information for Amazon to send you payouts. You will also need to provide a valid credit card for Amazon to charge for any fees. We highly recommend using a credit card, as using a debit card can sometimes cause your account to be flagged or banned. You will be asked to provide a name for your Amazon store. You may also be asked about UPCs for your products and if you own the brand you're selling. If you're selling a unique product, you will need a UPC, which can be purchased from gs1.org. The last step is to upload photos of your ID and other documents you gathered in the pre-registration phase. This includes a government-issued photo ID and a recent utility bill or bank statement as proof of address. It is crucial that the name and address on these documents exactly match the information you provided in your registration forms. You might also be required to do a quick video call to verify your identity. After filling the form and submitting these documents, there will be a waiting period of a few days to a few weeks. Amazon will review your application and confirm your account via the email address you provided during registration. By this, you have successfully created your Amazon seller account. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.